Good morning, Rupasri.
Good morning, sir.
What is the structure that we use to express past abilities?
Subject plus was are were able to plus verbal plus other words.
Very good. Can you translate some Telugu sentences into English?
Yes.
Okay. నేను అతన్ని ఒప్పించగలిగాను.
I was able to convince him.
నేను నిన్న క్లాస్కు రాగలిగాను.
I was able to come to class.
వాళ్ళు మ్యాచ్కి వెళ్ళగలిగారు.
They could win the match. They was able to win the match.
They
Was able to win
they
the
was
They were able to win the match.
నేను నా పని పూర్తి చేయగలిగాను.
I was able to complete my work.
సచిన్ సెంచరీ సాధించగలిగాడు.
Sachin was able to get century.
అతను లతను వివాహం చేసుకోగలిగాడు.
He was able to marry Lata.
నేను నిన్న అతన్ని కలవగలిగాను.
I was able to meet him yesterday.
రవి మొదటి ర్యాంక్ తెచ్చుకోగలిగాడు.
Ravi was able to get first rank.
నేను ఇల్లు కొనగలిగాను.
I was able to buy a house.
నేను నిన్న గుడికి వెళ్ళగలిగాను.
I was able to go to temple yesterday.
అతను నాకు తెలియచేయగలిగాడు.
He was able to inform me.
లక్ష్మి ఉద్యోగం సంపాదించగలిగింది.
Lakshmi was able to get a job.
నేను అతని మాటలు వినగలిగాను.
I was able to listen to his words.
నేను అతన్ని అనుసరించగలిగాను.
I was able to follow him.
ఐ వాజ్ ఏబుల్ టు
Follow him.
నేను వ్యాపారం అభివృద్ధి చేయగలిగాను.
I was able to develop the business.
డెవలప్
Develop the business.
వాళ్ళు నన్ను గమనించగలిగారు.
They was able to observe me.
దే వాజ్
They were able to observe me.
అతను 6 కొట్టగలిగాడు.
He was able to get 6. Hit 6.
హి వాజ్ ఏబుల్ టు
Hit 6.
6 వాళ్ళు నన్ను ఆహ్వానించగలిగారు.
They were able to invite me.
నేను అతనికి డబ్బు ఇవ్వగలిగాను.
I was able to give him money.
నేను నిన్న అతనికి డ్రెస్ ఇవ్వగలిగాను.
I was able to give him a dress yesterday.
నేను ఆ పని చేయగలిగాను.
I was able to do that work.